What's up, everybody? It is John with Home Buyer Louisiana. I'm in a house in Metairie, Louisiana. As you can see, not a lot left of it here, but so the seller actually came to us because an insurance claim was denied after, I think, some storm damage, and they were actually only got halfway through fixing the house, and then they couldn't afford to do anything more with it, and unfortunately it just was kind of in the shape that it was in. We talked to them. We were able to get a price that worked for them to help get moved out and move on. Then there actually ended up being some title issues with a bad the divorce paperwork that was done improperly 20 years ago, and we had to help them work through a succession. But we have people for that, so we were actually able to help resolve all their issues with help from our title attorney friends, and they were still able to move on and move on to the next chapter of their life. So happy ending after all. We have a new project to work on here in Metairie. They're able to move on to the next chapter of their life and be with family. So yeah, if you have a house literally in any condition in South Louisiana, talk to us. We're happy to help. Homebuyerlouisiana.com, fill out the form or give us a call, and yeah, let's chat. Thanks. Talk to you soon.